learnt systems biology of a certain kind.
Sure.
We came back and we started a master's program in systems biology. We've had generations of students who have looked at one or the other aspect of computational biology in that, but it all started with this paper on gene finding.
Interesting. Yeah, and this framework has kind of just allowed you to jump between different areas.
Yeah, because a lot of systems biology is really the application of dynamical systems theory into biology.
Right.
So I had to learn a lot of biology. And some of the most exciting work happened actually right after I moved to JNU. We had a visitor who was working on the idea of self-organized criticality in those days. It was a very exciting field. And
from India as well, or from someone else?
No, this is Per Bach, who was visiting us from the US. And he came and gave this very exciting talk. And then very shortly thereafter, Deepak Dhar came from TIFR to give a bunch of lectures. You see, I was able to do all this, in the early days of JNU, of my being at JNU.
I was wondering if that was who it was, by the way, Per Bach, How Nature Works, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Nice book,
so before How Nature Works, he just came and he was giving all these talks over the place, and we were trying to understand what's going on. And then Deepak Dhar came, and Deepak was sort of extremely brilliant.
Yeah.
And very shortly thereafter, we had the first exactly solved model of self-organized criticality, which really kick-started a whole lot of activity in the area.
Is the sand pile?
The sand piles, right? And so, that was done in JNU.